Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back in the shop. I am back from WorkbenchCon, and it was one good weekend. The conference was awesome. If you guys were on the fence about going, did not go for whatever reason, if you couldn't go, try to make plans to go next year. I don't know when and where it's going to be, but it was a good time. It was well worth the trip. So this week I am still working on the project, the modular shop storage system. Going out of town kind of put me back a little bit, but it was well worth it. So instead of trying to like force a video this week or rushing a video this week, I think I'm just going to skip it this week as far as publishing a video and get this done. But I'll try to do a lot more updates through the week here on my Instagram stories. So be sure to follow me over there and here on this channel. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribed here. But here, let me show you what I've got going on. So I've got all the cabinets built, installed. You know, they're working, works great. And I've got one more to put here. I've got everything cut out. I've got all the parts here ready to go. Got all the pocket holes drilled. There are the drawer fronts. So I just got to put everything together. Shouldn't be a big deal. And so then when I get both of these put in, I can just put one nice top on the top. I'll get this moved over here tomorrow, hopefully by the end of the day. And by, say, Wednesday, I can start on the upper cabinet that will go there. So that's what I got going on. Like I said, be sure to check in here this week and over on Instagram stories. I'll be sure to update you guys there. All right, guys, have a good night. See ya.